Hey, it's Dan McDowell here. What's going on, Life Regenerator? So, I've got a million questions about the Hawaiian wildfires, and I'll answer that in a second. But before I do, I wanted to let you know about the Juice Cleanse coming up on the Elite Video Club on Patreon. From August 20th to the 27th, we're going to be doing a group juice cleanse, and I will be doing some live Zooms along the way, as well as daily video support to help everyone stay inspired on the 7-day juice cleanse. We're going to be doing the 7-day reboot. So if you're interested in joining us and you want to do the 7-day juice cleanse, 7-day reboot, summertime detox, then you want to order the Core 4 right now. And I've also had a ton of questions about that. The Core 4 is the cleanse, which is the herbs that cleanse out your colon. Number 2 is the Pyrazyme, and the Pyrazyme is the ultra concentrated therapeutic grade enzymes. Okay, remember, enzymes break everything down and enzymes build everything up. So enzymes are not only catabolic, which is what most people think because we eat all the junk and it sits there, so they think they're only thinking in catabolic terms. They're not thinking of the anabolic effects of enzymes that actually refine and regenerate the tissues, okay? So the cleanse, 1 bottle of cleanse, 1 bottle of Pyrazyme, 1 bottle of herbal blood, which kills the candida and the parasites that are living in the biofilms as the enzymes break up the biofilms, and the cleanse with the herbs in there soften up all the biofilms, and then with the psyllium husk pulls it all out of there. So then the enzymes break down the biofilms, and then the herbal blood gets in there and creates an inharmonious environment for the proliferation of those candidas and yeasts and parasites that actually are just pooping inside of you, that are making you have brain fog and cloudy thoughts and negative thoughts. So that's why we're working on cleaning the colon. And last but not least is a bottle of the Purolife, and you put the Purolife in, that's the enzyme enhanced probiotics, and then that recycles everything and also enhances the beneficial microorganisms in the gut. So it's a brilliant program, and I will be explaining that in depth. And I've been getting a lot of feedback from people. They are just pooping like racehorses. It's just all the gunk and the sludge and the slime and the filth of a lifetime is coming out of these people, and the stress and the waste matter and the toxins. We're getting rid of tumors and cysts, we're getting rid of excess weight, we're getting rid of all the massive amounts of fecal matter that's just been hardened and dehydrated. So when you take the enzymes and the herbal blood and the cleanse and the Purolife along with high amounts of these soluble liquids, which is H3O. So you do the living juices, then you get all this amazing, the vitamins and the antioxidants. So you're just basically purifying your blood. You're turning your blood into a solvent, so it's able to go deeper into the recesses in your body and break down all the occlusions that are blocking the blood flow to the watershed areas in your body. They'll talk about the watershed areas in the brain, but they'll never talk about the watershed areas in your heart, your thymus, your pancreas. In other words, the more circulation that you have, the healthier you're going to be. And what happens is we cook all the food and all the water gets cooked out, and so we become dehydrated, and all of the waste matter ossifies and calcifies, and then it inhibits the circulation, it inhibits the blood flow, and then the organs and the glands begin to shut down. But as soon as we increase that circulation with the H3O, which is the living water in the fruits and vegetables that has been distilled and filtered and activated, and is like an anti-gravitational water, which then flushes all of that hardened waste matter out of the body, and then all the joints and stuff start to loosen up, and then all the hardened masses of dehydrated, impacted fecal matter begin to soften up. Then you're taking in the Pyrazyme products and it's breaking it down even more, and you're providing like super fuel, for the microorganisms. Everything that Pyrazyme produces is rocket fuel for the microorganisms in your gut to break down and utilize, and it's very pure. That's the beauty, not only of the intention of Pyrazyme, the company, and what they create those products for, to transform your life, but also the fact that it is absolutely pure and better than organic. I got a comment the other day, it's not even organic, I returned it, it's too expensive. It's actually better than organic, because when it's organic, they only have to test 1 out of every 20 batches. At Paradigm, every single batch is tested on the way in, all the raw materials, and then they have the absolute pristine AAA+++ facility. What the FDA says, this is the model facility, and all other facilities should be this clean and this smooth operating. My buddy Dave runs it over there. I talk to him all the time, man, and he always tells me what's going on with the FDA and what's going on with all the testing. They test everything on the way in. Then they formulate it with the absolute most pristine conditions and the highest level of consciousness and intention, pray over it, then they test it on the way out, and there's paperwork available for every single batch, because they're not playing around here. They're no, you're not stupid. Most companies, they think that the consumer is stupid and will never check into this stuff. But then there are people that do look into the purity of the products that they consume. So Paradigm is better than organic because every single batch is tested. And not every single batch is tested. I know companies that have certified organic, but their products are full of heavy metals and all kinds of other junk. Okay, so Paradigm is the best. Got to answer that question for sure, and it will definitely transform your life, because it is a great system. It is the DTM Heal All Protocol Core 4. Then you can also bring in the MSM, which is sulfur, which also softens up all the external walls of the tissues. So the MSM is methyl sulfonomethane, sulfur, which is the third highest mineral in the body, which is also the flexibility mineral. There's minerals that have all different types of frequencies and are attracted to all different types of organs and glands in the body. You know, zinc and phosphorus, for example, to ferment, to build testosterone. And so I highly recommend you work on your mineralization, your hydration, and then we'll be talking about everything health. We'll be talking about that during this whole 7-day juice cleanse. And hopefully what it does is it galactivates your consciousness in your gut by bringing in this higher consciousness, absorbing it every day, breaking everything down, getting all that junk cleared out, getting your brain clearer, and then maybe you'll create a trajectory for your life where you'll do what I do, which is just do the 7-day reboot, 90-day heal all protocol all day, every day, live foods, raw foods, with the emphasis on just staying hydrated, and then having one meal at night. And even the meal at night is beginning to become excessive, because the less stress we have, the less nutrients we burn up. You know, now I'm not in the gym all day, every day either, like some people. I'm actually just started. I got the rebounder out of storage, and I got some weights right here. And I'm gonna start hitting the gym, and I'm on my way to go to a yoga class right now. So I've been fasting for months, fasting on water and juices, trying to get to the core of some stuff. And I've made some progress, but I'm telling you, the wheels of life, and grind slowly and steadily with persistence. You win the race. But a little bit more power every day, a little more clarity, a little more understanding, a little more discipline. A little bit. It's like 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but you just keep on moving forward. You make mistakes, you fall off, you get down, but you get back up and you just keep going, and then overall your life picture gets way, way better. Can you dig it? So I look forward to seeing you on the 20th on the Elite Video Club. We'll launch it off with the live Zoom. Thanks everyone for subscribing. Thanks everyone for the love and support over here on the YouTube channel. We're almost up to 10,000, so it's like we're starting over from scratch. But I'm really honored to be a part of the journey. I mean, we're just getting started. I was in the shower and God told me again, start a church, because I just want to talk about good things, send good vibes out, positive thinking. It's like honoring Mother Nature and honoring Father God, and like grounding into the practicalities of Mother Nature and like the day-to-day decisions that affect your real life, and then tapping into the higher consciousness of the universal divine flow so that that can come down and you can get all the answers you need from your own inner guru. Can you dig it? DTM, 10 minutes, old school, YouTube, Life Regenerator is out. Peace. Thank you.